In a significant development, the New York State Bridge Authority has announced an extensive overhaul of the historic Bear Mountain Bridge, a critical artery connecting Rockland and Orange counties to Putnam and Westchester. This ambitious project aims to modernize the nearly century-old structure, ensuring its safety and functionality for decades to come. The Bear Mountain Bridge, inaugurated in 1924, stands as a testament to early 20th century engineering prowess. Spanning 2,255 feet, it was once the longest suspension bridge globally, facilitating the movement of vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists across the Hudson River. However, after serving the public for over 100 years, the bridge now requires substantial renovations to meet contemporary standards. Central to the renovation plans is the complete replacement of the aging bridge deck. This critical intervention seeks to enhance safety and prolong the bridge's operational lifespan. The existing concrete deck, last replaced in 1976, has surpassed its typical service duration of 30 to 50 years, underscoring the urgency of this project. In addition to the deck replacement, the project encompasses several key enhancements. Sidewalk expansion. The current sidewalks will be widened to improve accessibility, ensuring compliance with the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA. This modification will provide pedestrians and cyclists with a safer and more comfortable passage across the bridge. Barrier upgrades. Modern safety standards necessitate the installation of new barriers. The project plans to replace existing barriers with structures that meet contemporary height and protection criteria, thereby enhancing overall safety for all bridge users. Scenic overlooks. Recognizing the bridge's role as a vantage point for the Hudson River's picturesque views, the renovation includes the creation of safe and accessible scenic overlooks. These designated areas will allow visitors to appreciate the surrounding landscape without compromising safety. Anti-climb fencing. In response to concerns about unauthorized access and potential safety hazards, the project proposes the installation of climb deterrent fencing. This measure aims to prevent individuals from accessing restricted areas, thereby reducing the risk of accidents or intentional harm. Drainage improvements. To protect the bridge's structural integrity, the project will address existing drainage issues. Upgraded drainage systems are expected to mitigate water accumulation, which can lead to deterioration over time. The Bridge Authority is committed to minimizing disruptions during the renovation process. Notably, at least one sidewalk will remain accessible throughout the construction period, ensuring continuous passage for pedestrians and cyclists. This consideration reflects the authority's dedication to balancing infrastructure improvements with public convenience. To engage and inform the public, the first in a series of meetings was held on March 13th at the Desmond-Fish Public Library in Garrison. This forum provided community members with detailed insights into the project's scope and objectives, as well as an opportunity to voice their opinions and concerns. The authority has also launched a dedicated website, www.bearmountainbridgeproject.com, serving as a central hub for updates and information related to the project. Currently in the design phase, construction is slated to commence in the spring of 2026, with an anticipated completion by the fall of 2027. This timeline reflects a strategic approach to ensure meticulous planning and execution, thereby preserving the bridge's historical significance while integrating modern safety and accessibility features. The Bear Mountain Bridge has long been more than just a crossing. It is a symbol of connectivity and resilience in the Hudson Valley. As it approaches its second century of service, these renovations will honor its storied past while securing its future as a safe and reliable passage for all. For continuous updates on this and other pivotal infrastructure developments, subscribe to our channel. Your engagement drives informed communities.